If you're looking for reliable old Gmail accounts at affordable prices, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Old Gmail accounts are great for email marketing, building trust, and bypassing spam filters. But finding a cheap, trustworthy site to buy them can be tricky. Well, today, I'm going to show you why. 100account.com is your go-to place for old Gmail accounts. Let's quickly cover what makes old Gmail accounts so special. These accounts have been around for a while, usually more than 5 years. They tend to have better credibility, helping your emails avoid getting flagged as spam. They're perfect for anyone looking to get a step ahead in their digital marketing or business efforts. So why would you want to buy old Gmail accounts? For starters, older accounts can bypass the new account penalties, like getting stuck in spam filters. They also help build a stronger reputation with services that care about your email's age. Now, let's talk about the best place to buy them. 100account. 100account.com is the top choice for buying old Gmail accounts because they offer affordable prices, verified accounts, variety. When choosing an account, consider your needs. Are you using the account for marketing? Look for one with a longer history. Are you looking for bulk accounts for a project? 100account.com offers bulk purchasing options at a discount. Plus, their customer support is top-notch, so you can always get help if